Barrier. Meaning, a fence or other obstacle that prevents movement or access. Synonyms: obstacle, blockade, hurdle. Sentence: the language barrier made it difficult for them to communicate. Listener. Meaning, a person who listens, especially someone who does so in an attentive manner. Synonyms: hearer, audience member, receiver. Sentence: as a good listener, she always made her friends feel heard and understood. Exactly. Meaning, in a precise manner or degree. Synonyms: precisely, accurately, completely. Sentence: I knew exactly what he was talking about. Timing. Meaning, the choice, judgment, or control of when something should be done. Synonyms: scheduling, synchronization, pacing. Sentence: her timing in delivering the punchline was perfect. Price. Meaning, the amount of money expected, required, or given in payment for something. Synonyms: cost, charge, value. Sentence: the price of the concert tickets was surprisingly affordable. Nominate. Meaning, to formally propose or enter as a candidate for election or for an honor or award. Synonyms: recommend, propose, appoint. Sentence: she was nominated for the Best Actress award. Currency. Meaning, a system of money in general use in a particular country. Synonyms: money, cash, legal tender. Sentence: the currency of Japan is the yen. Since. Meaning, from a past time until now for the reason that. Synonyms: because, as, in view of. Sentence: she hasn't seen him since he moved to New York. Franchise. Meaning, an authorization granted by a company to an individual or group enabling them to carry out specified commercial activities. Synonyms: license, permit, authorization. Sentence: he bought a fast food franchise and started his own business. Stabilize. Meaning, to make or become unlikely to change, fail, or decline. Synonyms: steady, secure, balance. Sentence: the government took measures to stabilize the economy. Century. Meaning, a period of 100 years. Synonyms: 100 years, centenary, era. Sentence. We are living in the 21st century. Magnitude. Meaning. The great size or extent of something. Synonyms. Size, extent, significance. Sentence. The magnitude of the earthquake was recorded at 7.8 on the Richter scale. Obstacle. Meaning. A thing that blocks one's way or prevents or hinders progress. Synonyms. Barrier, hurdle, impediment. Sentence. They had to overcome many obstacles to reach their goal. Overseas. Meaning. In or to a foreign country, especially one across the sea. Synonyms. Abroad, internationally, foreign. Sentence. She decided to study overseas for her master's degree. Plan. Meaning. A detailed proposal for doing or achieving something. Synonyms. Scheme, strategy, blueprint. Sentence. They made a plan to improve the company's profitability. Contemplate. Meaning. To look thoughtfully for a long time at something or to think profoundly about something. Synonyms. Consider, ponder, reflect. Sentence. He sat quietly to contemplate the meaning of life. Articulate. Meaning. Having or showing the ability to speak fluently and coherently. Synonyms. Eloquent, fluent, expressive. Sentence. She is an articulate speaker who captivates her audience. Count. Meaning. To determine the total number of a collection of items. Synonyms. Tally, enumerate, calculate. Sentence. They had to count the votes manually. Fourth. Meaning. Constituting number 4 in a sequence of fourth. Synonyms. Fourth, quarter, quartile. Sentence. She finished in 4th place in the race. Painful. Meaning. Causing physical pain or discomfort. Synonyms. Agonizing, hurtful, distressing. Sentence. He had a painful injury that took weeks to heal. And there you have it. 20 everyday words with their meanings, synonyms, and example sentences. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video where we'll explore even more amazing words in the English language.